Oh boy, I'm lost. I'm lost down this canyon. What can I do to get out of here? What do we have here?
A little boy.
Who are you?
I am Caden McPherson. I am 7 years old.
And is this the Missingham steps that you're on?
Yes.
Wow! And what do you think of the Missingham steps?
They're great.
And do you think other children come down here?
No. I think only my sister Hannah and me have come down here as a kid these days.
Yeah, what do other kids do?
Just go to places like Jamboree Action Park.
Yeah, that's a shame. Ah, wow, what amazing steps. What amazing steps. Cut out of the rock. Do you want to stand up and just show us these steps? Wow, look at this, Hannah.
This has been chipped out 100 years ago.
That is amazing. Okay, say bye-bye.